This is 120,000 square feet of pure warehousing.
Welcome to Yours Clothing, one of BiGDUG's large retail customers.
BiGDUG had done some work for us in our other warehouse, and we were so impressed with it that we asked BiGDUG to come and do a quote for this warehouse.
I think one of the things for us was the communication that we had from Adrian and the detail to our quote as well, and also, you know, making sure that we got the best product for our warehouse. It was a big job for us and we needed someone to be a bit more detailed with it, and that's what we got. With the sample process as well, we found that to be different to everybody else because we wanted a lot of different samples of things, and the fact they came in and installed it so that we could see, because obviously we only knew what the 600 was like, but for us to see the 1200 and have it installed on site for us to, you know, use our own boxes, we're really impressed with that as well.
The reason we asked for the 600 bays to start with is that's what we've got in the other warehouse. But when BiGDUG came on site, looked at what we wanted, they suggested the 1200 base because it was cheaper. You know, it's quite clear to us that BiGDUG were not out to milk us. They put forward the best product at the best price for us, and that's why we chose it.
This is day 3 of a large project that we're working on. The first 2 days were just getting deliveries into the building and setting up ready for what should be a 6 to 8 week installation. This is the warehouse, and if you want to follow me in, we'll show you what we're doing. So this is our long span system. It's the same system throughout the bulk of the job. These are the frames that come in component form and are installed as a building. In total, it's close to 1,000 frames for the whole install, so quite a lot of steel work. It's a very simple job as regards it's a lot of one product. It's not a big mix. There's actually the biggest areas that you can see in orange are our long span racking. It's too small to see now, but there is some steel shelving that goes around the outside, which we've treated as a slightly separate project to this. Once these 4 zones are completed, the final zone is here. This is the working area where all the workbenches will be. This is dispatch area. So from the instruction we've been given by Yours Clothing, this is zone 1, which will be completed first. This is zone 2. As we move to zone 3, they will start to populate this with stock. It's very important that we work with the customer with their requirements, because they own this building now and they will want to get it up and operational as quick as we possibly can. So there's little point in us saying we need the empty warehouse. They're going to be basically following us on, and we've worked a plan along with Yours Clothing to agree which areas is required as a priority.
So the overall management by us and our working relationship with BiGDUG, we felt went really well. Communication over email, phone calls was always on time. The on-site meetings, you know, especially as I said before, from coming from so far away, the fact that we did have so many on-site meetings, it does make it a lot easier than Teams calls. So the management of it, they were always there along the way to help us. So very happy with that. We were up and running in about 3 weeks, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, as soon as BiGDUG put the racking up, we were following behind putting stock onto the racking.
So yeah, they worked very well alongside us because we were very pushy.
We're now in the main area of the warehouse. There's zone picking. This is zone 3, this is zone 4. As you can see, it's our long span system, 1200 deep with 5 shelves. It's a busy warehouse, there's a lot of people around, and we think it works quite efficiently. So as we said, our long span system with 5 levels. You can notice that the boxes fit the gap between the shelves exactly. That was designed so there's no wasted space at all. On the bottom we've got some stock in plastic boxes, but our main focus was on the 5 shelves and making sure the space was maximised, and I think we've done that really well. Not only on the height but also on the width as well. There's no wasted space in this area anywhere, and that's what an online retailer wants. They want to make the most of the space and no wasted space. This shelving is installed around the entire perimeter of the building. It's designed for returned items and single pick items. As you can see, lots of shelves in a very small space. Again, no wasted space. It's designed to fit the product. This type of racking was installed, I think we managed to do this in 7 working days. When you consider it is the entire perimeter of the building, that's pretty good because it's very labour intensive assembling this type of racking. We're now in the centre of the warehouse, and this is where the pick and pack operation is. We supplied 102 of these workstations to Yours Clothing. It's integrated with a conveyor system which we didn't supply, but basically the operatives pick, they bring them back here, and it goes on a conveyor belt to a station. We've supplied them with a melamine finish, so great with keeping the clothes clean, and you've no risk of skagging any of the clothes with the melamine finish, and it looks great.
Oh, it makes life a lot easier for us now. In the other warehouse, staff were having to climb ladders to get stock. In this warehouse, everything is picked virtually at ground level, so therefore we can see increased productivity for the people. The staff love being over here because they're not up and down ladders all the time. And we've got introduced what we call zonal picking, where people pick just in small areas, so it makes it so much quicker. It's great, absolutely great for us.
Yeah, we're really pleased with the final outcome. It's absolutely perfect for what we needed. It's really helped us. We really needed to move into a new unit. We were running out of space. So we're really pleased. It's exceeded all expectations.
And the warehouse is up and running fully. After 10 weeks, we were completely operational in the warehouse from everything. It was perfect. 100% totally recommend BiGDUG to any other company. Anybody is brilliant.